Hey y'all, welcome to another day in the life of a nail tech. Today I am meeting up with my lash tech. Well, I'm getting my lashes done. We're swapping services, okay? This is one of the best parts about being a service provider is being able to swap services because girl math equals this is a free service, okay? And y'all, look at how fire these came out. I had to get in the sunlight so y'all can see, but like, oh my God, she does her thing every single time. And yeah, obviously I was really happy. So we ended up going to lunch. This is my lash tech. Her name is Jimmy with Tropical Boulevard. Go ahead and follow her, y'all, if you don't already. Completely obsessed with her. We talked about a little bit of strategy, social media, the business side of things. But yeah, this is my girl. We had a really good time. Also, this lunch was so good. After lunch, I'm heading to the nail supply store to pick up some nail files. Tell me why I ran completely out. I don't know what I had going on this week, but yeah, I had to make that store run. And now I'm at the suite. I have one client for today, so it's going to be pretty simple. This is actually my sister. She's a nurse and she wanted really small coffin nails. So we called them coffin kitties and they came out so cute.